Senior 2 with the second famous compound, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is a white powder that dissolves in water easily, and it has an alkaline effect. Number 2, it's a thermally stable compound which melts by heat without decomposition spontaneously at a room temperature. Then it reacts with acids, forming what? The salt of acid, water, and carbon dioxide gas evolves. Here, what about the uses of this compound? It's used in manufacture of glass, paper industry, textile, but the most important use here is to remove water hardness. We're gonna explain this. Look here. The preparation of sodium carbonate in lab. How? By passing carbon dioxide gas through a hot solution of sodium hydroxide. So, what happens? Sodium carbonate aqueous solution is formed and water. Okay, let it cool down. So, white crystal of hydrated sodium carbonate are separated gradually. But note, sodium carbonate with 10 moles of water, which is called hydrated sodium carbonate, is known as washing soda. Now, washing soda, it's used to remove water hardness. But how? Look. Water hardness arises due to the presence of some soluble salts, some soluble ions like calcium and magnesium. Okay, now, washing soda can react with them and precipitate them to what? To remove washing soda, as in these A2 equations. Washing soda, aqueous solution or hydrated solution here of sodium carbonate, reacts with calcium sulfate, a compound that contains calcium positive ion. Okay, we get what? Sodium sulfate and calcium carbonate precipitate. So we can precipitate here and separate what? Calcium positive 2. The same, washing soda with magnesium sulfate. We get sodium sulfate and magnesium what? Carbonate precipitate. And we can also, like this, remove what? These ions, these soluble ions that causes what? The hardness of water. Now, we talked in the last point about what? The preparation of sodium carbonate in lab. What about its preparation in industry? It's solvay process. Look here, we have 2 steps. Number 1, by passing ammonia and carbon dioxide gas in a saturated aqueous solution of sodium chloride to produce sodium what? Bicarbonate. Then, by heating sodium bicarbonate, it decomposes what? Into what? Into sodium carbonate that we needed, and water and carbon dioxide gas evolves.